Fujitsu can help middle mile network operators in a variety of ways, and it really depends on the capabilities that those operators already have. Some network operators out there already have both deployment and operate and maintain capabilities, in which case Fujitsu may only provide the hardware and software. Other operators may have strong operational capabilities, but they may not have the deployment capability or the capacity to build these new middle mile networks. In those cases, Fujitsu can step in that role. We can help design and deploy those networks and then turn them over to the operator for operation and maintenance. Additionally, some customers are not traditional network operators. This might include state and local governments or transportation companies or utilities. They have an interest in building middle mile networks. Fujitsu can help in a number of ways. It can be a partial turnkey project where maybe Fujitsu is working on the communications portion of a larger transportation project, as an example. Or in another case, we help customers in a full turnkey manner where it was a statewide public utility building out a middle mile network, or even a small municipal utility.